10 Impressive Health Benefits of Eating Mung Beans Mungo.
One, packed with healthy nutrients. 2, high antioxidant levels may reduce chronic disease risk. 3, antioxidants vitexin and isovitexin may prevent heat stroke. 4, may lower bad LDL cholesterol levels, reducing heart disease risk. 5, rich in potassium, magnesium, and fiber, which may reduce blood pressure. 6, fiber and resistant starch in mung beans may aid digestive health. 7, nutrient composition may lower blood sugar levels. 8, may promote weight loss by suppressing hunger and raising fullness hormones. 9, folate in mung beans can support a healthy pregnancy. 10, versatile and easy to add to your diet.